If you've got something that you've got to say, bring it down front, bring it down front, don't let it away. You've got to tell me the way that you feel. Bring it down front. If I can help you, you know that I will. We got to talk it out till we get it straight. Come on and tell me, bring it down to me before it's too late. If you've got pain and trouble in mind, bring it down front, bring it down front, and you will find, you know that I'll hear you and come to your side. Bring it down front, bring it down front, and be satisfied. Bring it down front. If you got a pain, and if you got sorrow, and there's tears in your eyes, just bring it down front. Cry to me, baby, let me see your heart. I love you. If you got anything, bring it to me, bring it to me. Hey, bring it to me. Cry to me.